Growing vegetables indoors can be a fulfilling way to enjoy fresh produce year-round, regardless of the weather outside. The first step is choosing the right location. Look for a space with plenty of natural light, ideally a south-facing window that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. If natural light is limited, consider investing in grow lights, which can provide the necessary spectrum for healthy plant growth. Additionally, ensure the space maintains a stable temperature, ideally between 65°F and 75°F, 18°C to 24°C, as most vegetables thrive within this range. Selecting the right vegetables is crucial for indoor gardening success. Leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and kale are excellent choices, as they tend to grow well in containers and don't require extensive space. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley are also suitable for indoor gardening and can be used fresh in your cooking. Additionally, compact varieties of fruiting vegetables, such as cherry tomatoes or small peppers, can thrive indoors if you provide adequate light and support for their growth. Once you've chosen your vegetables, prepare your containers and soil. Use high-quality potting soil that drains well, as this will help prevent issues like root rot. Ensure that your containers have drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Plant your seeds or seedlings according to the recommended depth and spacing, and keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Regular monitoring of soil moisture is essential, as indoor environments can dry out quickly. As your indoor garden grows, regular care will ensure a healthy yield. Fertilization is key. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every couple of weeks to replenish nutrients in the soil. Watch for pests, such as aphids or spider mites, and address any infestations promptly with organic pest control methods. Finally, enjoy the rewarding experience of harvesting your vegetables. Many leafy greens can be harvested multiple times, while fruiting plants should be picked when they reach their desired size and color. With attention and care, you can create a thriving indoor vegetable garden that provides fresh produce all year long.